Hello and welcome back to the DaveTech YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to use Stremio on Chromecast. Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video. Let's get started. So, I have a video showing you how to download and install Stremio. If you've watched that video and you have the app already downloaded and installed, all you need to do is head over to the application on your app drawer and click on it to launch. So I'm clicking on Stremio and that launches the application. When this app launches, remember you need to have your smartphone on standby. Your smartphone needs to be connected to a very good internet source as well as the Chromecast where you want to launch Stremio on. So if the internet connection is good, launch the Stremio app on Chromecast and also launch the Stremio app on, or also launch your internet connection on the smartphone. So here we're going to actually use the camera app to scan Stremio. Now that Stremio has loaded up, what you need to do is take that phone which has an internet connection. You're going to scan the QR code on the phone. So this is going to log in your Stremio account and you have access to it. So just scan that code. If you don't have an account, you put you up to create an account. Alternatively, if you don't want to use your camera to scan, what you could do is go to the website link.stremio.com/BOZC. In your case, it may show something a bit different, but that's my unique code at the end. So use the exact link you find there, go to that site, actually log in or create the account, and you find that the same network is going to come over to Stremio and you have that connection established where you could navigate the Stremio app and enjoy it. So if you found that insightful, subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in the next video with content just like this.